Welcome back to Bike Vibe, the channel where we ride through stories, explore the machines that shaped our world, and dive into the passion, engineering, and innovation behind the bikes we love. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep journey into the fascinating history of Honda, a name that has become one of the most iconic in the world of motorcycles, a name that began as the dream of one man and grew into a global powerhouse whose bikes can be found on streets, tracks, and trails almost everywhere you look. The story begins with Soichiro Honda, a man with a relentless curiosity and a fearless desire to create, innovate, and push boundaries. He wasn't born into wealth or privilege, but he had a burning passion for machines, and that passion would eventually transform the motorcycle industry forever. As a young boy, Soichiro was fascinated with anything mechanical, especially engines, and he spent countless hours watching blacksmiths and mechanics work, absorbing every detail he could. He even skipped school at times just to study the way engines functioned, and while this caused him trouble, it also fueled the fire that would later power one of the most successful companies in the world. His first job as a teenager was at an auto repair shop, where he learned hands-on engineering and gained a deep understanding of how machines were built and how they could be improved, and this early experience laid the foundation for everything he would accomplish later. In 1937 he founded Tokai Seiki, a company that manufactured piston rings, and although it struggled in the beginning due to quality issues, Soichiro pushed himself and his team to learn metallurgy and precision crafting, eventually earning major contracts with big automakers, and this success gave him his first big step as an entrepreneur. But the story of Honda Motor Company truly begins after the destruction of World War II, when Soichiro's factory was damaged and the country was struggling. Yet even during that difficult time Soichiro saw opportunity, noticing the need for affordable transportation as people tried to rebuild their daily lives. He began attaching small engines to bicycles, creating simple but effective motorized bikes that provided an easy way for people to travel, and these early creations became incredibly popular because they were practical, low cost, and reliable, embodying the spirit that Honda would carry forward for decades. And in 1948 Soichiro Honda officially founded Honda Motor Company Limited, determined to build high-quality motorcycles that were efficient, durable, and innovative. One of the first major breakthroughs was the Honda Dream D-Type in 1949, the company's first full motorcycle, and its success marked the beginning of Honda's journey into becoming a competitive manufacturer. Soichiro believed in blending engineering excellence with mass production, giving riders affordable machines that didn't compromise on performance. In the 1950s Honda continued to grow rapidly, investing in research, new factories, and improved technology, and Soichiro's bold decision to enter motorsports changed everything, because he believed racing wasn't just a sport but a laboratory for innovation, a place where engineers could test their ideas under extreme pressure and then bring those improvements to everyday customers. By the late 1950s Honda entered the Isle of Man TT, one of the most dangerous and prestigious races in the world, shocking the global motorcycle community when the company began earning competitive results, and in 1961 Honda achieved victory, proving that a company from Japan could dominate the world stage and setting the tone for the brand's future leadership in motorsports. But the motorcycle that truly transformed Honda into a worldwide phenomenon was the Honda Super Cub, introduced in 1958. Designed to be lightweight, practical, easy to ride, and built with an incredibly reliable 4-stroke engine. It was marketed with the slogan, "You meet the nicest people on a Honda," breaking stereotypes that motorcycles were only for rugged thrill seekers and instead presenting them as fun, friendly, and accessible to everyone. The Super Cub became the best-selling motorcycle in history, with over 100 million units sold over the decades. And it continues to be produced, symbolizing Honda's ability to blend simplicity with durability in a way that connects with everyday riders. In the 1960s Honda expanded globally, opening factories and sales networks in Europe and North America, quickly becoming the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer, and throughout the 1970s Honda launched several legendary machines that defined entire eras, including the CB750, often called the world's first superbike, which featured a transverse 4-cylinder engine, electric start, disc brakes, and a level of refinement that competitors struggled to match. It was powerful, smooth, and reliable, setting a new standard for performance motorcycles and inspiring countless future sport bikes. Honda didn't stop there, rolling out the Goldwing in 1975, a bike that would become synonymous with long-distance touring, known for comfort, advanced engineering, and smooth performance, turning road trips into luxurious adventures. And over time the Goldwing evolved with features like flat six engines, integrated audio systems, and top-tier comfort, earning a loyal following among touring riders around the world. As the 1980s and 1990s rolled in, Honda continued pushing innovation, producing groundbreaking sport bikes such as the VFR 750F with its V4 engine and advanced aerodynamics, and the legendary CBR series including the CBR 600 and CBR 900RR Fireblade, which were lightweight, fast, and incredibly well engineered, influencing the direction of modern sport bike development and inspiring both professional racers and everyday riders. Honda also became a dominant force in MotoGP, with legendary racers like Mick Doohan, Valentino Rossi, Dani Pedrosa, Marc Marquez, and more achieving major victories on Honda machines. The Honda RC 213 volts became one of the most successful racing prototypes of all time, demonstrating the company's ability to combine engineering brilliance with world-class performance on the track. In addition to racing, Honda kept expanding into off-road machines, producing iconic dirt bikes like the CR series and later the CRF lineup, which became favorites among motocross enthusiasts, trail riders, and professionals worldwide, proving Honda's diversity and capability in different riding environments. Moving into the 2000s, Honda continued innovating with a focus on efficiency, reliability, and advanced engineering, producing bikes like the Honda Africa Twin, which became a legend in the adventure category thanks to its rugged design and ability to handle challenging terrain. The modern Africa Twin models continue the legacy with advanced technology, powerful engines, and a spirit of exploration. Honda also made major strides in technology, introducing dual-clutch transmission (DCT) to motorcycles, a game-changing innovation that allowed riders to shift electronically without using a manual clutch, offering smoother performance and making riding more accessible to newcomers without sacrificing the experience for seasoned riders. Today Honda remains one of the most respected motorcycle companies in the world, known for reliability, engineering excellence, and a deep dedication to innovation. Whether it's scooters, sport bikes, cruisers, touring machines, adventure bikes, or off-road models, Honda continues to shape the riding experience across every category. The company is also moving toward the future with hybrid and electric motorcycle concepts, exploring ways to reduce emissions while maintaining the performance and excitement riders expect. What makes Honda's story truly inspiring is the passion that started it all. The determination of one man who believed that machines could improve people's lives, and the countless engineers, designers, and writers who carried that vision forward across generations. From humble beginnings to global dominance, from simple motorized bicycles to cutting-edge machines, Honda's history is a testament to innovation, perseverance, and the belief that great engineering can change the world. And that's the story we ride with today, a story that continues every time a Honda engine starts up, every time a rider hits the road, and every time a new idea pushes the company to evolve once again. Thanks for watching Bike Vibe, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of Honda, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories from the world of motorcycles, where passion meets performance and every ride has a story.